In this course, we are going to dive into multimodal capabilities of OpenAI's latest model, GPT-4o. But what does multimodal really mean? It means we'll have a single model to process text, image, audio, and video prompts. With GPT-4o, we'll have direct access to these multimodal capabilities through the API. But wait, we could interact with ChatGPT using voice earlier as well, right? So what has changed? Well, earlier, when you used voice mode, there were three separate models involved. One model to transcribe audio to text. Second model, GPT 3.5 or GPT 4, that takes in that text and generates output text. And a third model to convert that output text back to audio. This three model pipeline had a lot of latency or lag, but with GPT-4o, all of this has been integrated into a single model, and the latency is reduced from 5.4 seconds earlier to only 320 milliseconds, which is huge. We'll learn how we can use these multimodal capabilities via API in this course. We'll work through a practical example where we take in an image as input, derive meaningful information from it, translate that using a function call, and export the data into a file. So thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.